Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you change your keyboard's language on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you keep going down here, you click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, just click here on keyboard, just click on it. You come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on keyboard, so just click on it. And here can you change your keyboard's language here, or here can you add new keyboards here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.